Hey, welcome back to the Learn Up another new AI video. In this video I will show you how to change clothes from your photo with just one click, using Canva Free AI. Like this. Yes, after watching this video you too can change clothes and background from your photos in just one click. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First, open a browser and go to canva.com. Now click Custom Size, and create a custom template according to your image. For example, I am creating a 500 by 500 custom template. After coming here, you need to upload your image here. For this, go to Upload from the left side. Click Upload File. And select your image. Now, drag it onto the canvas, and adjust it according to your template. OK, select the image, and go to Edit Photo. Click Magic Edit. Now, adjust your brush size, and select the part of your image that you want to change. I'm going to change the hair first, so I'm selecting the hair. After completing brushing, click on the Continue button. OK, here you need to write a prompt. Enter what you want to add to your selected area. I am writing stylish women's hair. OK, once done, click the Generate button to generate new hair. Now, wait for a while, it will take about 20 to 30 seconds to generate. Well, once it is created, you will see 4 different styles of images in front of you. You can choose any one you like. Or if you don't like them, you can generate them again by clicking the Generate Again button. OK, once you have selected the image you want, click on the Done button. If you want, you can do it through your mobile phone. For this, first download the Canva app on your mobile. Go to Play Store, search by typing Canva, and install it on your mobile. Now, open Canva app. If you are new to Canva, you will need to create an account. And if you already have a Canva account, then log in. After completing the login, you will see a dashboard like this. From here, click this plus icon. Now click the upload icon and upload your image. OK, once here, click Edit Photo. Now click Effect, and go to Magic Edit. That's it, now follow me for next steps. OK, now I want to change clothes. That's why I'm selecting the cloth area. Now click the Continue button. Type your imagination. And finally click on the Generate button. You can change all the outfits in your photos in the same way. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any AI related videos. And don't forget to comment if you have any problem or opinion related to AI. Okay, see you soon in another new AI video. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, goodbye.